Ever wondered why renewable energy holds such importance in today's world? Our world faces an imminent energy crisis, with the diminishing reserves of non-renewable. Renewable energy, therefore, is a beacon of hope, a path to a sustainable future. Among these, solar energy stands out because of its endless supply and eco-friendly nature. Solar panels, devices that harness this energy, have benefits that are countless, ranging from energy savings to reducing carbon footprint. Today, we delve into the world of solar energy, exploring the process of solar panel installation in a way that's both simple and easy to follow. Step 1. Planning and design. This is the pivotal starting phase of your solar power journey. The initial task involves a thorough assessment of your home's energy needs. Carefully comb through your yearly energy bills. By doing this, you're gaining an understanding of your home's energy consumption patterns. This data be instrumental in formulating your solar power plan. The next phase is devising a suitable system design, tailored to meet your determined energy needs. It's crucial to ensure this system can sufficiently generate power. This isn't just about powering your home. It's about offsetting energy consumption, thus reducing reliance on traditional energy sources. Remember, the goal is to generate enough power to offset the energy consumption of your home. Step 2. Procurement of materials. With the design blueprint ready, the subsequent stage involves purchasing vital equipment and materials. Gathering these necessary tools and materials is crucial for the actualization of the solar panel installation project. You'll need to get hold of solar panels, an inverter, brackets mounting the panels, and an assortment of electrical components. All these elements contribute to the efficiency and longevity of the system. Consider investigating the market and examining reviews to ensure you choose high-caliber materials. The quality of these purchases could significantly impact the durability of your installation. It's advisable to do some research and choose high-quality materials that will stand the test of time. Step 3. Installation. Now, the real work begins. This phase is where you'll need to put on your DIY hat and get your hands dirty. Start by carefully finding the perfect spot on your roof where you'll be installing the mounting system. It's crucial to ensure that your chosen spot is robust enough to hold the weight of the system. Get the mounting system firmly secured to your roof, ensuring its durability to withstand any conditions. Once the mounting system is in place, the next step involves the installation of the solar panels. This step is vital as the positioning of the panels directly impacts their efficiency. The panels need to be strategically positioned to capture maximum sunlight, optimizing your solar energy generation. After ensuring the optimal position, anchor the solar panels to the mounting system. Once the panels are secured, it's time to set up the electrical wiring. This part of the installation process involves creating a circuit between your solar panels and the inverter. The inverter's job is convert the solar energy collected by the panels into usable electricity that can be used to power your home. The wiring should be properly insulated to avoid any potential electrical issues. After the panels are in place, install the electrical wiring. This involves connecting the solar panels to the inverter, which will convert the solar energy into usable electricity for your home. Step 4. Inspection and interconnection. Once you've got your solar panel system installed, the next critical is to have a thorough and professional inspection conducted. This isn't something you'd want to skip or overlook. A professional inspector does more than just look at your system. They ensure its safety, the integrity of the wiring, and most importantly, they ensure it's up to the established building regulations and electrical codes. This step ensures that any potential risks are mitigated and that your solar system isn't just up and running, but running optimally and safely. Once this rigorous inspection gains approval, the system can be connected to the power grid. This connection allows any excess energy your solar panels generate to be fed back into the grid, thereby optimizing your energy usage and savings. Step 5. Maintenance. Ensuring the longevity and optimal performance of your solar panels may not be labor-intensive, yet it necessitates vigilance. Despite the fact that these panels are constructed to withstand harsh weather conditions, they still require a certain degree of care. Regular inspections and cleaning are key to maintaining their high efficiency. This includes removing debris, checking for any signs of physical damage, and ensuring the panels are properly angled towards the sun. It is crucial to spot and address any potential issues swiftly to prevent any dips in performance and energy yield. Always remember, vigilant care today can save you from major repairs tomorrow. Keep an eye out for any potential issues and address them promptly to keep the system running smoothly. In conclusion, installing solar panels involves a number of key stages. First, the planning and design phase, where the right equipment and placement are determined. Next, the procurement of materials, a stage involving the acquisition of all necessary components. Then comes the installation, a process that should be carried out by professionals for optimal results. Following installation, an inspection and interconnection stage is necessary. This ensures that system is correctly connected and working efficiently. Lastly, the system requires regular maintenance to guarantee peak performance. These steps are all vital in creating an effective solar energy setup at home. Utilizing solar energy aids in reducing carbon emissions and helps lessen energy expenses. This makes it an investment that comprehensively offsets its initial cost over time. Hence, solar energy is becoming an increasingly popular choice amongst homeowners globally. So why not give it a try? After all, the sun is a source of energy that's both abundant and free.